This is 2113 Nightingale. Two-car garage. Nice little entryway here. Little planters in front. Flower beds in front, I mean. That's the door to the two-car garage. Here's a coat closet. There's two bedrooms off this direction. And also here is the kitchen in here. And one of the bedrooms. Nice size walk-in closet. Another bedroom. Bathroom. We'll walk through the kitchen again. And there's a little bar here on the other side with a couple of bar stools. Here's the dining. And the living room, which is sunken just a little bit. Very nice outdoor backyard space. The storage shed out there. A little pergola here. Nice size covered patio. That's a built-in right there. And onto the mat. It's a closet, a pantry right there. And here's the master. Very nice size walk-in closet. Double vanity. And the private toilet and shower. Get a view from the other direction. Has folding doors here. Very nice sized room.